Hey everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to go over and show you my new way of getting content. Now I'm leaving the videos up in the course from the old way, but this is a lot better way of getting it. It's basically Mike's new tool. It's Page Rewriter. The beauty about it is it takes the concept of what I used to do, which was basically analyzing page one, getting the content from their site, and then putting it into my own words. Now, this just enables you to do it a lot faster because it goes down, it pulls all the data, and it pulls a lot more than what I used to do when I did it manually. So what you get is a lot better content. And in future videos, I'll be showing you how I adjust this content to make it my own and how I utilize it and how I put it into my Magic Page sites. The other thing about Page Rewriter is you don't need to pay for it monthly. You pay for credits, and basically the credits are cheap for what you're getting for the time it will save you. If you are basically only be going to do like sort of one or two like sort of sites, two niches, then you could use the pay as you go because you get 20 credits. One credit is used per search term. So you've got ample there for sort of one site, even two sites, depending on how much content you're putting on the sites. Obviously, if you pay on a monthly basis, then you get more credits. And obviously, the more you pay, the more credits you get. As you were part of the MPP step-by-step course, then I'm going to give you a 30% discount coupon as well. That only works for the monthly. It doesn't work for the pay-as-you-go. Okay, so how do I get it? Now, I've looked at my pest control Clearwater analytics, and I've noticed that termite control is coming up 136 searches. Termite treatment, termite control. There was another one somewhere I saw. There was three of them. Termite control. I would have thought I saw three of them before, but there you go. But anyway, there's termite control. So that's what I'm going to search for today, because I'm going to do a supporting page on termite control. So if I go into here, and all I do is if I can actually spell it, termite control. Now, I'm not going to go through the full thing of how I do everything on here. This is just an overview of how to start off your thing and some things you can do with it. I'll be going more in depth on it later on. So I'm just going to put that in there, termite control. Now your location, you can put your location in as Clearwater, or you can put your location in as just Florida. Or you could just put your location as the United States. Now I'm just going to leave it at Florida just to see what it brings back. Advanced options, is nothing there at the moment. They're going to be coming later on down. So as you can see, we've got a blank screen here, and we hit the get content, and it takes up one credit. Okay, so you just do get content. So it goes away, and now what it's doing is basically scraping the first page of Google to find relevant content. And it's finished. So basically now what we've got is we've got all of these meta titles. Yep, which are all, we know these are good because these are all on page one. Now, with any of these in this box at the side, what you can do is you can just click the edit button, and we don't want Terminix in there because obviously that's a brand name. So we get rid of that. We can go down to here, get rid of entomology. Go down to here, get rid of Bob Vila, get rid of Orkin, move that, and get rid of US EPA. So as you can see, we can edit these on the fly. Now that one there, the top 10 best termite control, I don't want that one because, so you can just delete it. There you go. Oh, top 3, I don't want that one either, so I can delete them. So that just helps me to clear up all this stuff. So then we can have a look at meta description. So as you can see, we've got all of these meta descriptions, which again are obviously good meta descriptions because they are on page 1. We've got all their H1s as well, and H2s, and H3s, and H4s, H5s. Look at that, because we've all got down to H5s. Normally, it's very rare you'll get H5s. Oh, and they've got H6s as well. Or one of them has. That's unusual. I think that's the first time I've ever got down to H6s actually being anything in it. But then the best of it is you've got all of these paragraphs. And just as before, we can edit them on the fly if we want. You know, so we can do that. So we might not want to have well organized like that. So we'll take that out. We can have like sort of, you know, we can take the 2 out and just leave it at 8,000, whatever. But then all we need to do is, oh, well, I want that paragraph. So you just click off it, click back on, and it puts it in there. If you click this button here, if we go back up to this bit, and we do the meta titles, if I click that, I get all of the meta titles all in at once, which is really cool. Now, like I say, you can go down, you can pick whatever paragraphs you want. Just make sure you're there. Let's have that one. Let's have that one, that one. You know what I mean? You can just do what you want. Or if you don't want it, and then you just do delete. Yeah, just delete and delete. Yeah. And that's your paragraphs. Then you've got your anchor text. So you can look at what these guys are using for anchor text on their sites to their other pages and even to like external pages. You can see the outbound URLs where they're going to. So you might be able to pick up some ideas from them. You see the alt tags for all their images, which obviously gives you ideas. You can see the emphasized keywords. And then you can see their ordered lists, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4 lists. So obviously this is from the top 10, which is, and this is like a menu option sort of thing. Then you've got the unordered lists, which again, just the same as the other ones. You just copy them in like that, and that's your list there. Then you can just put your dots in there or whatever you want to put in there. But these are your unordered lists, and there's a few unordered lists. So there might be like a jump links anywhere. So you've got there like additional pest control services. You've got step 1, step 2, step 3. So that might be a good one to have in. So you would do, don't want login. So you put that list in, then you've got your step 1, step 2. That's obviously a plan for doing it. And then finally, you've got your table tags, which that's neither now, we don't really want that one. So we'll just delete him. Okay, so I've actually added them. That's messed it up. Okay, so then once it's all your details are in, you'll do save. Like I say, in future videos, I'm going to go through and show you how I use this. Obviously, you can make your own ideas up for how you use it and the different stuff you can do with it. Hope that video is useful, guys. Catch you on the next video. Bye.